Eastern Market area is my favorite place to hang out in Detroit, and one of the reasons are the many, many fabulous murals. From September 13th to 22nd, Murals in the Market is a festival that takes place here. The Festival of Murals was named by Smithsonians as one of the top 5 mural festivals in the world.
Call it off, let it go. We've been down this road before. We check for monsters by the door, and it makes you feel stuck inside a wheel. It slowly holds you in where you've never been. And I really feel stuck in the middle here. You can break my bones with your sticks and stones, but it's all too clear that the end is near. 'Cause I really feel stuck in the middle here. I can take no more. I will leave this shore to get back on track, and I won't come back. No, 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 no. I am here but won't take more. I'm at the end, you're at the start, and it makes you feel stuck inside a wheel. It slowly holds you in where you've never been. And I really feel stuck in the middle here. You can break my bones with your sticks and stones, but it's all too clear that the end is near. 'Cause I really feel stuck in the middle here. I can take no more. I will leave this shore to get back on track, and I won't come back. No, no. Stuck in the middle here. 'Cause I really feel. Call it off, let it go. All for nothing. I should have known. I made mistakes, crashed and burned. So many chances, no time to learn. I need to find another way to make things right. I won't be coming back again a second time.
Thank you for viewing. Join me next Friday as I go deeper into the Eastern Market to discover gang graffiti. Not just murals, but gang graffiti and an abandoned slaughterhouse.
We've been down this road before. We check for monsters by the door.